The reason I started the foundation in the first place was to help the Worcester Fire Department. That just sort of grew into helping the New York department after 9/11.
Randall's Island and the training facilities that Dennis Leary and the work of the Firefighter Foundation has provided for, they train folks from all over the world, and not just for fire readiness. There's so much training that goes on through this that prepares people for our next thing.
So since 9/11, our terrorism training is probably been impacted the most. We have an ERP, emergency response terrorism training that goes on, and it's an awareness of drug labs, an awareness of what a bomb-making lab would look like.
When you look at what it takes to get this job done in 2021, these fires burn hotter, they burn faster, they burn bigger. When fires do start, they escalate extremely quickly.
Communications are greatly enhanced since September 11th. We have radios that are fairly new. Our communication network, as far as the different channels that we could speak on, are all greatly enhanced.
176, you said second floor?
3310-4, we're bringing the line in now.
11 years ago, last Saturday, we suffered a double line of duty fatality. One of the things that came out of that was an incident safety officer being on scene right away. We really needed a mission-driven vehicle. So that truck is specifically equipped with spare medical equipment. Firefighters are out doing medical calls 24 hours a day. This truck, when they need something at 2 a.m, that lieutenant is out delivering it. So coolers are mounted, meters are charged, extra equipment is stored. So everything has its place, everything is readily accessible. That was a game changer for the mission of the safety officer, and that was all possible because of the Leary Fund.
One of our newest donated training props is an Airbus A321. This one will be a permanent training prop here, and then we have another section that's going on our outside collapse simulator. This building was built after September 11th. It obviously enables our firefighters to operate more effectively and efficiently in a subway situation. We respond to the subways all day long, every day in New York City with miles and miles of tracks. But it also gives us the ability to train on incidents that might be terrorist related.
Grants from the Leary Firefighter Foundation allow us to address those things outside of our regular budget. We serve about 55,000 citizens, about 55 square miles. In 2019, we applied for helmet liners to go inside of our structural firefighting helmets. The impetus for that was for cancer prevention. The biggest benefit is the ability to launder them after a fire, after they've been exposed to any number of chemicals and products of combustion, to be able to pull them out of our helmets, put a replacement in, and to launder those in our turnout washer to be able to make it safe to be used again. That's just one less exposure our people have to those things that can hurt or kill us.
Command 10-4, second floor.
From September 11th, we learn from every near miss, every line of duty fire investigation that we have has a series of recommendations, and we make ourselves better. We honor and remember our fallen by tracking the small failures and evolving and changing when necessary.
All of the things, whether they're small or large, literally translate to lives of people that are willing to give their life for you.